The distributive property states that A times B plus C is equivalent to A times B plus A times C. Here's a numerical example. Instead of the letter A, we use the number 3. 3 times B plus C is equal to 3 times B plus 3 times C. Here's another example where our let B equals 7. We distribute the 3 to both the 7 and the C to get 3 times 7 plus 3 times C. But of course we can simplify 3 times 7 to 21. So a slightly better answer might be 21 plus 3C. This time I've let B be 7 and C equal to 4. Order of operations tells you to simplify inside the parentheses first. 7 plus 4 is 11, and 3 times 11 is 33. If the distributive property is true, we ought to get the same answer. We distribute the 3 to both the 7 and the 4, and then multiply. 3 times 7 is 21, 3 times 4 is 12, and 21 and 12 is 33. Exactly what we expected. Here's an example of the sort of thing you're going to see in class. Here we've got an equation we'd like to solve for x. 2 times x minus 1 is supposed to be equal to 5 times x plus 2. We'll begin by applying the distributive property to both sides of the equation. The 2 distributes to the x and the negative 1. The 5 distributes to the x and the positive 2. This gives us 2x minus 2 equals to 5x plus 10. Now we solve for x just like you learned in 7th grade Excel. Subtracting 2x from both sides leaves negative 2 equals 3x plus 10. Subtracting 10 from both sides leaves negative 12 equal to 3x. The last step is division by 3 for a final answer of negative 4 equals x. The solving equations you should know. It's the distribution that's new. It's important to practice distribution with fractions as well. Here I've applied the distributive property. To keep yourself from getting confused, remember that all numbers can be written as a fraction of 1. Now just multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. And now you can go about solving just as you would before. Add a 2x plus 3 to both sides to get 8/3 equals x minus 3. Then add a 1/3 to both sides to get 9/3 equals x. Since 9/3 reduces to 3, x is equal to 3. One last note. When working with distribution, it's not uncommon to see an expression like this. 5 times 2x plus 1. As you distribute, the 5 and 2 multiply together to give 10. So 5 times 2x plus 1 equals 10x plus 5.